In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell a car on Facebook Marketplace. We'll go from opening Facebook to publishing a polished listing with simple tips to attract serious buyers and save time. Open Facebook and head to Marketplace. On desktop, it's in the left sidebar. On mobile, it's in the menu, and select Create New Listing. If you don't see Marketplace, make sure your app is up to date and you're in a supported region. Choose vehicle for sale, not item for sale, so you get car-specific fields like make, model, and mileage that buyers search for. Fill in your car details thoroughly: make and model, year, current mileage, transmission type, such as manual or automatic, fuel type, like gas or diesel, and overall condition. Accurate, complete info builds trust and brings more qualified inquiries. Upload high-quality photos, clean the car, shoot in daylight, and include front, back, and side views, interior shots of the dashboard and seats, the engine bay, and close-ups of the tires. If there are scratches or issues, show them honestly. A short walk-around video can boost engagement. Avoid heavy filters and keep shots steady and level. Write a clear, transparent description. Highlight key features such as smooth driving or cold air conditioning. Mention any known issues up front and share your reason for selling. State whether the price is negotiable. Add your general location so buyers can gauge travel time, and keep contact through Marketplace chat instead of posting phone numbers. Set a realistic price by checking comparable vehicles in your area. If you're open to negotiation, list a little higher to leave room to move, but avoid overpricing, which reduces inquiries. Adjust your listing settings, confirm the correct location, decide whether to hide the post from friends if you prefer privacy, and select the condition accurately. Preview everything and publish by selecting post. A clean, complete listing can start getting views quickly. After posting, boost visibility by sharing to relevant local car buy and sell groups, renewing the listing periodically, responding quickly to messages, and updating the ad if details change. Fast replies keep interest high and build momentum. Handle buyers like a pro. Reply promptly, answer questions clearly, set a viewing schedule, and meet in a safe, well-lit public place. Confirm the time and location in chat before you go. Finally, prepare your documents. In the Philippines, have the official receipt and certificate of registration, a valid ID, and a deed of sale ready. Paperwork builds trust and helps you close smoothly. Follow these steps and your marketplace listing will stand out, attract the right buyers, and sell faster.